Here we have a Hardinge HC lathe. We have it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power, and we're gonna run it and show you that it works. It's got a couple compartments here for your motor, and that right there is just storage. Comes with a few extra parts. A couple bits are broken on it, like these. They're a little bit chipped, so some of these are not really. But that's what it came with, and that's what we're including. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on here. It's got a couple different speeds. We're gonna put it on slow speed and go forward. Okay, we're gonna put it on second speed, go forward. And we're gonna put it on third speed and go forward. This is your fastest speed, and then you do have a variable right here for 1 and second speed and third speed, and that actually increase it, and that's the fastest it'll go right there. Okay, so we'll lower that back down, and okay, and we'll stop it. Now it also goes in reverse, so we go the other direction, and that's in reverse. And we also have, that was the high third speed, and then slower speed, and the slowest right here. Okay, so now we're gonna show you the travels on the apron here. It does have manual travel, so you can travel manually if you need to. Okay, it also has a turret. You can change or turn the turret on here, and then it has a cross slide. Okay, and those are all your manual. Now if you want to go automatic, you press this lever up, and then you have to have the motor running. So right over here, go right or left. Let's go left towards the truck, and you can turn it up. That's about the fastest speed right there. You need to turn it down a little bit and creep it. Okay, and then we'll go the other direction. And you see it's going real slow. We got it on slow right now. We'll turn up the knob and it'll go faster. Okay, the other thing we didn't show is the coolant, which is right over here, and that'll be your coolant right here. You position it where you work at, whatever you're working on. Okay, that's the Hardinge HC lathe.